You are going to love the 2019 E350. Ford has maintained its level of success for E-Series by continually monitoring its customers' needs and maintaining a high level of quality, power and strength, spacious comfort, abundant and versatile cargo capacity. These have made E350 America's choice for personal and commercial vans over the past 3 decades. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers, auxiliary audio input, power steering, driver airbag, passenger airbag. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.